Hello and welcome. I am your host, Mora. Thank you for joining me today for this guided Metta meditation to promote loving kindness. Let's begin by finding a quiet and comfortable place to sit or lie down. Close your eyes gently and take a few deep breaths to settle into the present moment. We will begin this meditation by taking a few minutes to scan our body. Relax the muscles in your face, your jaw, your neck, moving down to your shoulders, releasing any tension, moving to your arms and hands and fingers, feeling them relax. Then go onto your back, releasing any pain you might be holding on to. Moving down to the abdomen, the legs, and your feet. Unwind and relax your toes. Feel the earth supporting you and allow yourself to relax into the knowing that you are safe on this beautiful blue planet. Take a deep breath in, filling your lungs with air, and then exhale slowly, releasing any last feelings of stress or tension in your body. On the next breath in, focus on allowing the stream of unconditional love and abundance from the universe to fill your heart. And on the out breath, release this healing energy into the world around you. And let's breathe in again, allowing the energy from the universe to heal and fill your heart with joy and kindness. And breathe out, letting go. Now bring your mind to someone you care about deeply. Someone who brings a smile to your face effortlessly. Imagine their presence in your mind. Look at their face and feel the love and warmth you carry for them. Hold this image in your mind. Inhale deeply, breathing in the feelings of love and kindness. And as you exhale, imagine sending these feelings towards the person in your mind. Say to them, may you be happy. May you be healthy. May you be safe. May you have peace in your heart. Now visualize someone else you care about. A friend, a family member, a co-worker, or a mentor. Visualize them in your mind's eye and feel the love you have for them. Inhale deeply And as you exhale, send your loving kindness towards this person also. And say to them, may you be happy. May you be healthy. May you be safe. May you live with peace in your heart. Next, think about someone neutral, someone you don't have strong feelings for, perhaps a colleague, acquaintance, or neighbor. Picture them in your mind. Inhale love and exhale kindness towards this person, saying, may you be happy. May you be healthy. May you be safe. May you live with peace in your heart. Now, bring your mind to someone you have conflicts with or negative feelings towards. This might be challenging, but see if you can find a small spark of compassion or empathy within you. Understand that we are all one. Inhale understanding and exhale forgiveness, saying, may you be happy. May you be healthy. May you be safe. May you live with peace in your heart. Now I want you to bring your focus back to yourself. You deserve love and kindness as much as anyone else. Inhale self-love, and as you exhale, let go of self-criticism and judgment, and forgive yourself. Say to yourself, may I be happy. May I be healthy. May I be safe. May I live with peace in my heart. Finally, let's expand our loving kindness to include all living beings on this planet. Picture our Earth. Visualize its beauty and diversity. Inhale compassion for all beings. And as you exhale, send your love and kindness to every corner of the world. Say, may you all be happy. May all beings be healthy. May every living thing be safe. May all beings live with peace in their hearts. Take a few moments to bask in the feelings of love and kindness you have cultivated. Know that you can return to this practice whenever you need to reconnect with the love within you that is ever so abundant and comes from the universe. When you are ready, you may gently open your eyes. As you go about your day, carry this love and kindness with you and share it with everyone you come in contact with. May you be happy. May you be healthy. May you stay safe. May you have peace in your heart, always.